This is a short video to demonstrate Review365, the appraisal app for Office 365. Now I'm here in my inbox in Office 365 and I'm going to click on the app launcher and select Review365. I'm starting this off as somebody that is preparing for their appraisal. And you can see that I've got an option there to click here to start my appraisal. These are populated with role-based competencies, in this case for the education sector. So firstly, I'm going to go and choose the name of my manager. I'm then going to complete a set of fields, choosing a specific job role, which applies to me, the academic year that this appraisal is for, a year group that I teach, and a subject. And also, if you have multiple schools in your group, you can pick a specific school. Once I do that, I click Create, and that starts the appraisal process. Now, to start off with, we're reviewing our targets from last year, saying whether we've met them or not, and then writing a short summary of our achievements for the year. Once you've done that, you start this year's new appraisal. Now, I'm in the category Planning for Effective Teaching and Learning, and the way it works is I'm going to make some judgments about whether I have development required, I'm a practitioner, or I'm a lead practitioner. So I'm going to go through, read these competencies, and select which one of the three levels I think applies to me. Obviously, you would take more time than I'm doing in this demo to think about these, and this is being completed by the appraisee independently of their manager. So you can see now I'm onto the next category, and I'm going to make my way through again. I'm doing this on a PC, but this could be done on an iPad or any web browser. So I'm going to make my way through a series of sections, and I'm going to cut now to the manager's view. So you can see I've got a couple of people in my team who have submitted their appraisals, having done the process which I just showed you. So again, I'm going to make a judgment about the year before to say whether I think that person fully met. And again, I can go and write up a short summary of how I think their year has gone. And this is again all happening before that appraisal or that review meeting. If they've uploaded any evidence, I would see that there. And then I'm going to go and put my judgment against that same set of competencies. So sometimes we might agree, and perhaps they're the ones you don't discuss much in your actual appraisal meeting. If there are areas which you disagree on, probably that's where the most discussion is likely to happen, like this one here. So exactly the same, we click through a number of sections. We're going to shortcut this now and imagine that we've completed both of those independent reviews, and now we're into our actual appraisal meeting or the moderation phase. So now we're sitting together, we're looking at a laptop or on a screen, and we are discussing the performance from last year. Once we've agreed on that, we then go through all of the individual competencies which both parties have made judgments about, and we discuss them. It gives a really clear framework for discussion rather than a very general "how has your year been" type discussion. The new parts in here, you can see at the top right, I've got target and share. So if I want to set somebody a share, for example, that means we've agreed this person is excellent at that particular competency, and they maybe are going to help a colleague or run a project relating to that next year. This one though, I want them to move up from a practitioner to a lead practitioner, so I've set that one as a target. So you make your way through discussing in your appraisal meeting this agreed competency model and setting targets or specific things that you want that person to share with colleagues or be a champion in for the following year. Once those three stages have happened, you can then download the report which details all of your targets and the things which you've agreed to share for the year, all the comments, all the gradings, and then any documents which you've also uploaded into Review365 as evidence. So that's a very quick demo of Review365, the new appraisal app for Office 365. To request a demo or find out more, please send an email to info@hable.co.uk. Thank you.